can fly. Si Pastor, that's his other advocacy, our children. So if you meet people from KOJC, they're very talented. They know how to play a musical instrument, one or two or three musical instruments. They know how to sing. They know how to write beautiful songs. And it was honed. Talagang kinultivate ni Pastor yan. And that's the kind of country that we want, where our children will be the best expressions of themselves. Not drug addicts. We don't want drug addicts for our children to be drug addicts, nor to be led by drug addicts. And that is exactly where our country is right now.
Yes, ma'am. At attorney, balikan ko lang yung naging laman ng GRP deal with the NDFPs. Kasi masyadong controversial itong last na sentence. Sabi nila, we envision and look forward to a country where united people can live in peace and prosperity. Iba yata, Attorney Kay, nangyayari ngayon sa panahon ni Marcos Jr.
Oo nga, di ba? Nakita natin, lawless na nga eh. Wala nang constitutional rights, wala nang human rights. Ito, kinuha pa nilang pumalantaran na ang pangungurakot nila. Mga kawatan na talaga sila. Imagine na, ito, ngayon nabasa din kasi, ito nangyayari ngayon sa ating bansa. Kung sinasabi talaga nila, for peace to, for prosperity, may statement pa eh, itong presidente, parang similar sa sinasabi ni Pastor for peace, prosperity, and stability eh. So, yun ang kiniklaim niya ngayon. Pero ano nga ba, ito may magandang post eh, which is a truth stream post, na makikita talaga natin ang ginagawa ngayon na issue, etong sa impeachment, etong ginagawa ngayon, laban kay VP Sara, etong sa mga vloggers, etong kay Pastor Apollo Siquibuloy, at saka ano-ano pang mga issue na binabalandra nila. Pero actually, may tinatago sila behind. Magandang post ng truth stream na to. Ikaw bang gusto mo basahin?
Sabi dito, Attorney Kay at Ma'am Lorraine, yung impeachment is a distraction. What they don't want you to see. Sabi dito, a day before, February 5, an A1 information revealed that the House of Representatives has carefully orchestrated a swift impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte. The events were not a surprise attack, nor a masterful political strategy. It was simply panic laced with aggression, a response from corner administration. Sabi dito, imagine a mafia wannabe shouting orders and coercing others into compliance. Phones were seized, signatures were demanded. Allegedly, a reward system was in place. 25 million for the ACA program, another 25 million for the AIX, and 100 million pesos in infra funds through the DPWH, penny released by the Office of the President and DBM. Multiply that by 215 signatories. We're talking billions. No wonder why President Marcos recently urged Filipinos to pay your taxes to fund the pockets of the corrupt. Amid the noise of the government schemes, it's crucial not to lose sight of the real issues, those that this administration desperately wants to keep hidden. Ito, Attorney Kay at Ma'am Lorraine, number one, sa ayaw daw na makita ng administrasyon dahil ginawa nilang diversion yung impeachment issue. Yung anomalous bicameral report. The administration has come under fire for the questionable bicameral report or yung hashtag na Bicam na talagang viral ngayon sa Facebook at sa social media, which was later incorporated in the 2025 General Appropriations Act o GAA. The report was criticized for being filled with blank spaces, raising serious concerns about corruption and lack of accountability. So, unahin natin itong pag-discuss, Ma'am Lorraine, yung Bicam na mukhang ito nga ang dahilan. At may mga issue ng impeachment para hindi ito mapansin at mabaon sa limo ang mga Pilipino. Attorney, Ma'am Lorraine.
Yes.
You know, the good thing there, again, I see the good thing there. Kasi yung kagandahan na nakikita ko dyan, yung at this time, feeling ko wala nang mapupuntahan ng mga Pilipino. Na wala nang executive tsaka yung legislation. Talagang legislature, wala na talaga. Meron pa tayong judiciary, meron pa tayong judikatura, meron pa tayong last recourse, meron pa tayong pupuntahan. So, sa madaling salita, natatakot sila. May kinatatakutan pala itong mga kakapal na mga mukha ng mga ito, itong mga kawatan na ito. Kasama dyan, syempre, CPP, NPA, napaka-corrupt, diba? So, meron pala silang kinatatakutan. So out of panic, that ill-advised na impeachment na napakapilit na pilit. It seems like it's dead in the water already yan. No? Kasi mali-mali yung procedure nila. And it's just for propaganda or whatever, di ba? Talagang natakot sila. Buti naman at may kinatatakutan pa sila. So, yun yung pagdarasal natin ng Pilipinas. So, syempre, paglalaban natin yan, di ba? So, yun yung kagandahan dito kasi malala talaga ang ginawa nila dito sa budget na ito. Na pag ito pinalampas natin, napakawalang kwenta ng mga Pilipino. Dito mo talaga isasabihin sa sarili mo, I am not a Filipino for nothing.
Yes.
Hindi ko papayagan ito. Diba? So, yun. Yeah.